We're on YouTube. Got the case done, as polished as it's gonna get. That's pretty good, so I can throw some paint on it. Hopefully the paint sticks to it, because aluminum is a pain when it comes to sticking paint on it. Got to get some of that self-etching paint. Hopefully it sticks to it. I would love to leave it polished or polish it even more, but that's good enough for government work right now. Here's the input shaft. The gears are sharp, so I went ahead and got me one from Taiwan. Hopefully it's as strong, or it could take as much power for that massive 300 horsepower that I'm hoping to get out of this motor. Got a lot of work to do still on this thing. Working full-time. Here comes the excuses. Working full-time makes it a little hard. There's the tail shaft. I'm gonna do the same thing to it. Polish it a little bit, clean it up better. Just doing it for someone I love. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. Have a good day.